I'm a Christian author, and these are just a couple of ways I make money without spending a dime. My name's Ellie if you're new here. I'm a mom, and I'm just going to say it. Self-publishing is expensive. Since I started my tiny little corner of the publishing industry a few short months ago, I've been on one wild ride. Not all of it was fun. Before I ramble about things that are completely irrelevant, I'm going to tell you what you're actually here for. Subscribe to my channel if you're an author looking for creative ways to diversify your income. Give this video a like because that's what it's about. As a writer and overall creative person who has a hard time sticking to one thing, I use Kit. They recently changed their name from ConvertKit. And yes, I'm an affiliate. That link that could make me a few dollars when this video goes live is in the description. Awkward part out of the way. I seriously recommend this tool. Even though I don't have a lot of followers, I consistently make money with this email marketing platform. Somebody be the real MVP and put the timestamp in the comments, because I'm about to tell you how to do just that. So, number one is premium newsletters. This is by far my favorite way to make money using Kit. A premium newsletter is an email broadcast that you send out to your email list, and your subscribers pay you to receive it. Who would pay for emails? Actually, you'd be surprised. The name of the game is providing value, and lots of it. At the time of recording this video, I have 2 premium newsletters for authors. One is for Black authors, the other is for Christian authors. I give writing tips, business strategy, content creation tutorials. In my newsletter for Christian authors, I give all of these things as well as motivational messages and collaboration opportunities. Having a newsletter isn't passive income, but it does allow you to make extra money while only committing to the things that you have time for. And that is one of the things that I really love most about it. Personally, I only send newsletter articles like this twice a month. They are jam-packed, full of information and resources for my subscribers. I make money directly from the subscribers' quarterly subscription. Well, one of them is monthly at the time of recording this, but it will go to quarterly as well. If you're a content writer or if you have expertise in a subject, you can begin monetizing your email list completely free if you have under 1,000 email subscribers. So there's a bit of a catch there. You don't need 1,000 subscribers to significantly boost your income by monetizing your email list. There are so many ways you can go about doing it, and leave a comment if you want more ideas about creating premium content. Another way I make money with Kit is affiliate marketing. This video is an example. If you find this information helpful and decide to subscribe to Kit using my link, then I would see a commission from that. Blog posts, newsletter articles, and social media are other ways I could use my affiliate link, my unique link that Kit gives me in order to earn commissions from my content. I am not a large creator. I do not have thousands of followers on my platform. Before I applied to Kit's affiliate program, I was just an author who used the free features to bring more revenue to my business. And if I can do it, you can do it. Just start with what you're good at. If you landed on this video, I'm going to assume that you're an author, or maybe just someone who is curious about making extra money with no upfront investment. Understandable, relatable. Take a look at your skills. Is there a way to utilize them in a digital form? Authors know how to write. You could provide bonus content, release early chapters, create exclusive short stories, and whatever else your brilliant mind comes up with. You work hard to create, you should get paid for it. Create a free account and start adding value to a dedicated audience. If you want more features and want to create more of a passive income with Kit, leave a comment below and I'll make a video on it. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.